Hymn by John Greenleaf Whittier. Sung at Christmas by the scholars of St. Helena's Island, SCO. None in all the world before were ever glad as we. We're free on Carolina's shore, we're all at home and free. Thou friend and helper of the poor, who suffered for our sake, to open every prison door, and every yoke to break. Bend low thy pitying face and mild, and help us sing and pray, the hand that blessed the little child, upon our foreheads lay. We hear no more the driver's horn, no more the whip we fear, this holy day that saw thee born was never half so dear. The very oaks are greener clad, the water's brighter smile, oh, never shone a day so glad on sweet St. Helen's Isle. We praise thee in our songs today, to thee in prayer we call, make swift the feet and straight the way of freedom unto all. Come once again, O blessed Lord. Come walking on the sea, and let the mainlands hear the word that sets the islands free.